To Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, my name is Bekam Habtamu. I'm 7 years old, born in Canada. My family are from Oromo, Ethiopia. I am writing to you as a consistent to express my extreme concern about the situation unfolding in Ethiopia and to call upon the Canadian government to issue a statement commending the killing of the incarnate Sylvians expressing their dramatic rights in Ethiopia. The Oromo people have been oppressed, subjected, tortured, raped, killed, not to mention incommonly disvanted and systematically disfranchised for more than a century. They are now rising and demonstrating peacefully against a plan that will uproot 2 million farmers and their families and rob them of their livelihood. Their protests are being met with the bullets, and over 100 students, including 11 and 12-year-olds, have been murdered by the government. Protesters are being charged with acts of terrorism and demanded bail. Doctors and nurses are being targeted contrary to international conventions. Despite all this, the Canadian government continues to disburse $73 million in development assistance to the Ethiopian government annually. How can Canada continue to support such a regime and turn a blind eye into accuracy being committed? How can Canada be sure that those $73 million are not being used to buy the bullets and fund the army and police that are killing civilians? Ethiopia could be a beacon of light for Africa, but we cannot get there if the Ethiopian government continues to oppress and deny citizens their basic human rights. Respect of human rights must be a prediction to Canada's development assistance in Ethiopia. Will this new Canadian government finally take a stand and condemn the actions of this regime, or will it let the situation degenerate to a clandestine war? Why is it that the Canadian government was so quick to recede to the shooting in Paris and have not said a word about the terrorist acts being committed by the Ethiopian government against its own citizens, the Oromo people? Do African lives not matter? Enough is enough. We expect more leadership from our government. Oromo lives matter. Thank you and a Merry Christmas.